It's like the set of a Doctor Who story, isn't it?
Good morning. Today, Mum, Dad and I are heading to Volcano to then get on a boat to go to somewhere completely unique, completely different, and somewhere that neither of us have ever been before, and that is White Island, which, if you don't already know, is an active volcano off the northeast of New Zealand in the Pacific Ocean. So it's off Volcano and off the Bay of Plenty region, and it's an active volcano in the sea. It's pretty exciting. So if you're wondering, this is a present from me, my brother Mark and my dad to my mum, and then me, my brother Mark and my mum to my dad. This is what happens. Time to get ready, have some brekkie, and head in the car to get there to go on the boat to go to White Island. We're in Volcano now, and there's our boat that we're taking to go out to White Island. So we're just waiting to get on it. We've got our tickets and everything, and look, the sun is coming up and it's pretty and nice and everything. And just out there, where is it? Out there behind the pole and under the clouds is an island called Whale Island, but no doubt we'll see it better soon. We're getting ready to get on the boat and go out to sea and to go out to see White Island.
Kia ora, good morning and welcome aboard PJ4. In the case of emergency, there are life jackets on board for everyone. Continue to cruise down this river slowly, but once you get across the river entrance, we'll be able to speed up and get you out to White Island as quickly but as comfortably as possible. White Island lies 27 nautical miles or 49 kilometres offshore, and travelling time is generally about an hour and 20 minutes on this boat. Once ashore, we'll take you on a fully guided tour of the inner crater area, and this will take approximately an hour to an hour and a half. On completion of the tour, we'll bring you back onto PJ4, have a spot of lunch, have a cold drink, and visit as many points of interest that the sea conditions will allow us today before making our way home. Now on your way to and from the island, please do keep an eye out for marine life such as dolphins and whales. If you happen to spot anything that we haven't noticed, just let us know, and if we've got the time, we'll slow down and spend some time with them. But from here folks, just sit back, relax, and enjoy your trip out to the island. As we cruise down the river, if you look out to the port or left hand side of the boat, you'll notice a statue on the rock. This is Lady Wairaka. About 800 years ago, when the Māori first came to Whakatane, they came up this river in the mata to a canoe or waka. The men went ashore to have a look around, leaving the women and children still aboard. While they were ashore, the canoe started to drift back out to sea, and it was tapu or against Māori beliefs for women to handle the paddles. But one lady, Lady Wairaka, picked up the paddle, and as she did, she shouted to the gods, "E kia whakatane au ia hau," which means I'll act as a man or give me the strength of a man. She then proceeded to paddle the canoe back to shore in safety. So that's why Lady Wairaka's on the rock today, and that's how Whakatane got its name as well. We're on the boat.
White Island now.
Yep.
Yep, and we're just walking in towards the creator to the crater.
Can you smell anything?
Not yet.
What's the atmosphere feel like? It's giving me a headache.
It's giving you a headache. Oh.
Impressive.
Mum?
Smell anything? Yes, I can smell something.
Or any other thoughts?
Any other thoughts? It's very desolate and rugged
And rugged.
Smelly.
and smelly and warm in places.
You feel the heat come through your shoes. Okay, no, must be angry, it's vending.
This is a bit of the sulfur, and when it's in this form it doesn't smell like anything or taste like anything, so this little bit doesn't smell like rotten eggs, however that one smells like rotten eggs. This is the crater, right?
Crater.
It's the crater. It's the crater of the volcano.
Until a few years ago you could walk across to the other side of tips like this. What year did you say? 2003? And it exploded. No, you can't. And it was full of water. Now all the water's gone. And that, those puddles that are left in there are off the acidic scale and really aren't any good for disposing of bodies. Apparently. That was it.
It was it's -4 on the acidity scale, the water down there. So if you think of the
Lactic acid.
the pH scale, normally it's 1 to 7, 5 being neutral. That is -4, so there you go.
So you wouldn't want to drink it.
You definitely wouldn't want to drink it.
Like Newcastle brown ale.
This whole area here that I'm in is the old sulfur mining factory, so they would mine the sulfur from the volcano from White Island here, and then it would be transported to Tauranga, to the port of Tauranga and stuff. Thoughts, Dad?
Hey,
Thoughts on White Island?
Very interesting.
Very interesting.
Very smelly, very hot. Interesting to be up close to the powers of nature.
Yeah.
Also see the industrial side of things.
Anything else?
No, I haven't got lollies tonight.
Your thoughts on White Island?
Pretty amazing, and I would feel very sorry for those who had to live out here, and I hope they had a choice to come out. Pretty dangerous place for them really, but amazing. A chance to come to it for the first time. Lovely, thank you. Family.
Okay. now. You will have seen some clips just before. Well, on the ride back from White Island there were some common dolphins which swam with us. Mum spotted them off in the distance and pointed them out to one of the guys. Got to slow down and ride with the dolphins for a bit. But they were in the middle of eating lunch, so they didn't hang around too long. They're common dolphins, if you're wondering, which are, as you would guess by the name, the most common dolphin in the world and one of the smallest types of dolphins. I love dolphins. They are one of my most favourite animals, so that was pretty awesome. Then we had lunch, or we had something to eat and an ice cream before heading back home. It was pretty cool seeing White Island and being on it. Being on an active volcano, New Zealand's only active marine volcano. Quite interesting. They've mined it in the past. I would definitely say that if you're in New Zealand and would like to see be on like an active volcano, then heading to White Island would be pretty cool. There's no lava as such on White Island. Like, it's not a volcano that makes a lava flow like Hawaii does, so don't expect to see lava because that doesn't happen. The boat ride was nice, the sea was calm, the day was beautiful, so no seasickness, just some dolphins, a few little waves, and I hope you enjoyed this video of our adventure to White Island. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and I'll put links to all the places in the description down below so you can go and check out the company that takes you up to White Island and things that they do. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But until then, remember to explore all you see, laugh out loud, and live your dreams. Okay, bye.